Welcome students. Today we are going to learn subject Science and Technology part 2 from standard ninth, lesson number 8, useful and harmful microbes. But before start learning, let us have glance upon what is mean by microbes. The living organisms which cannot be seen with naked eyes but those are present all around us are called microbes. So microbes are present in water, air, food, outside and even inside the body of organism. The characteristics of microbes are as follows. Microbes are prokaryotic cells and hence forms the kingdom Monera. All microbes can be seen with the help of compound microscope except viruses. As viruses are minute in size as compared to all other microbes, it can be seen with the help of only electron microscope. The electron microscope has more resolution power than compound microscope. Many microbes are useful to us. We use them for our benefits, while some microbes are harmful too, which can cause various diseases. In this lesson, we are going to learn about such a useful and harmful microbes. Useful microbes like lactobacilli, rhizobium, yeast, penicillium, which is involved in the antibiotic production, and harmful microbes like fungi, clostridium, and pathogens. Pathogens means disease causing microbes. So let's understand in detail about first useful microbe, that is lactobacilli. Lactobacilli is one of the important microbe involved in the food industry and found in the milk naturally. We can observe the lactobacilli under compound microscope by using following steps. First, smear a drop of fresh buttermilk on a glass slide. Smear means spread the liquid and let it dry. Then stain it with methylene blue. Here methylene blue is an indicator which imparts color to lactobacilli. Then put a cover slip over it. Then observe the smear under the 10x objective of a compound microscope and then with the more powerful 60x objective. Here 60x and 10x are the powers of lenses used in the microscope. Then we would be able to see the lactobacilli bacteria under compound microscope as shown in the figure alongside. The characteristics of lactobacilli are as follows. As we can observe in the figure below, lactobacilli are rod-shaped and spore-forming bacteria. Lactobacilli are minute in size and they are anaerobic bacteria. They can produce energy without the use of oxygen. That is, they follow anaerobic mode of respiration. Now let's learn the use of lactobacilli in yogurt formation. Milk contains lactose sugar, lactobacilli microbes and proteins along with other constituents of milk. By the fermentation process, this lactobacilli converts lactose sugar into lactic acid and as a result pH of milk decreases, causing coagulation of milk proteins. Coagulation means a liquid turns into solid or semi-solid state. And after the coagulation, milk proteins are separated from other constituents of milk. And here milk changes into yogurt. The characteristics of yogurt are: yogurt has a specific sour taste due to lactic acid production. Yogurt has low pH value which is helpful to kill or destroy the harmful microbes present in the milk. And this is the only reason why doctors advise us to have yogurt or buttermilk if we have indigestion or abdominal discomfort. By using this application, a new term probiotic is popular nowadays. What is mean by probiotic? Yogurt or other foodstuffs? Yes, the useful microbes like lactobacilli are added to these eatables like yogurt or other foodstuffs, and such eatables become healthy as they kill harmful bacteria like Clostridium in the alimentary canal and help to improve our immunity. But sometimes yogurt can be harmful. Yogurt becomes bitter and froths up, and this is because excessive fermentation and more production of lactic acid, and such a yogurt becomes unsuitable for consumption. Now we look upon the other uses of lactobacilli. Rather than yogurt, other milk products like buttermilk, ghee, cheese, shrikhand, etc. can be obtained by fermentation of milk using lactobacilli. Also, lactobacilli fermentation is useful for large scale production of cider, coca, pickles of vegetables, etc. Cider means an alcoholic drink made from the fermented apple juice. Also, lactobacilli and some other useful microbes taken together are used to treat abdominal discomfort, which is already we have learned. Then lactobacilli are involved in the production of leaven fodder, which is offered to domestic cattle like cows and buffaloes. Leaven fodder means fermented fodder, and fodder means food of cattle. Again, the lactobacilli fermentation process is used to make a wine and some types of the breads. Thank you.